Today at Ellwood Farm Machinery with a Case 4230 4-wheel drive fitted with a loader, and as you can see, very red, fully glazed cab, good boots all the way around as you can see. Go to the back, 3-point linkage, pickle pitch, PTO, auxiliary spools. It is road registered. Nice clean tractor. Hop into the cab. A seat for sitting on, which is always nice. Oh, there you go. The world's away now. This has a shuttle box on. Beautiful. A loader fitted with third service. Very easy to use. Power steering, which is beautiful. Go to the rear, open the door first. There we go. 3-point linkage down. Go back up. Nice. On a bit, look at the PTO. Nice place to sit and enjoy the world. A working handbrake. Very simple gears. Select them. High, low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply go forward. Backwards. Which makes it a very handy tractor. Put it to high, get going a bit. Travels very well. Nice over potholes, as you can see. Very agile, as you can see here. It's a bit cold today, good thing I'm sat in a cab. Brakes, which stop you're dead. Will pull the hook from away from your seat if you're not careful. PTO doing a little dance for you. There she is, Case 4230 for you. Available for UK and Irish delivery. Partex is welcome. If you've got something, get in touch. More information available at ellwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk and the Facebook page Ellwood Farm Machinery.